The Rinnai RXP199iN Tankless water heater delivers a very strong hot water output for larger households, yet fits in a footprint comparable to a small suitcase. Its condensing design and very high efficiency rating help cut wasted energy, so you get plenty of hot water without feeling like you are burning fuel unnecessarily. The built-in recirculation pump with learning technology can adapt to your daily routines, so hot water reaches fixtures faster and you wait less at the tap. Being able to run on either natural gas or propane and to be configured for indoor or outdoor installation makes this unit extremely flexible for different homes and renovation projects. The control panel is straightforward, and the quick flush feature simplifies routine maintenance, which should help the heater stay clean and efficient over the long term. Because it is tankless and does not store a large volume of standing water, it avoids the sediment buildup common in traditional tanks and is likely to offer a longer, more reliable service life.